Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an advanced sign-up form in Mailchimp. This isn't just a simple email box. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a form that not only looks great, but also collects the data you actually need, so you can send smarter, more targeted emails to your audience. Whether you want to segment by interests, collect birthdays, or just make something that matches your brand, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. First up, let's head into Mailchimp and navigate to the Forms section. You'll see an option for other forms. Go ahead and pick the form builder here. This tool lets you customize pretty much every aspect of your sign-up form. Right away, you'll want to make it feel like an extension of your website or business, so take a minute to edit the fields, upload your logo, and play around with the colors so they match your branding. Think about the fonts and tones you usually use. Even small changes, like picking your brand's exact shade of blue or adding your unique logo, can help your form look much more inviting and professional, and people are way more likely to sign up if it feels like they know and trust you. Now let's move on to customizing the kind of information you collect. In the form builder, click Add a Field. This is where you'll see options like text boxes, drop-down menus, birthdays, phone numbers, or even addresses. Don't just stick with the basics. Adding custom fields lets you get creative and specific. For example, if you want to send birthday wishes or special birthday offers, add a birthday field. You might even want to include an interest dropdown so people can tell you the topics they care about, which becomes super useful for sending targeted campaigns later. Take a moment to think about what's meaningful for your communication, but try not to overwhelm people with too many questions at once. A simple, focused form tends to work best. Alright, now for some Mailchimp magic. Let's talk about tags and groups. Tags are like invisible labels you can attach to each subscriber, and you can set these up so that they're added automatically when someone signs up through this form. For example, everyone coming from your webinar 2025 sign-up gets that tag. This makes it a breeze to send a campaign just to those people later. Groups, on the other hand, let your subscribers sort themselves into categories. Let's say you want people to choose whether they want tips, promotions, or events. You can create groups for those, and Mailchimp will let subscribers pick what interests them right from the start. It's a little extra setup, but trust me, it pays off whenever you want to personalize your emails. After that, take a moment to polish the design. Double-check that your logo is crystal clear, your colors look consistent, and add a short, helpful instruction at the top of the form. Maybe something like, "Sign up to stay updated, choose what matters to you below." It's also a good time to rearrange or even hide any default fields you don't need. If, for example, you never send physical mail, you can hide the address field. It just keeps the form looking clean and focused. Finally, let's get this form out into the world. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, you have two main ways to share it. You can copy the embed code and paste it right onto your website, which is perfect if you want the sign-up form built straight into a landing page or sidebar. Or if you want to run a campaign on social media or send it out via email, use Mailchimp to publish the form as a standalone landing page. You'll get a unique link you can use anywhere, from Facebook posts to QR codes at your next event. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created a powerful professional sign-up form in Mailchimp that helps you connect with your audience in smarter ways. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you've got any questions, big or small, drop them down below in the comments. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next campaign.